In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Instagram call not working, right? So it's really annoying. You have a call with someone, and you want to have a call with someone, with your friend, with your mother, father, dog, cat, mouse, and it's not working. So what you can do in this case, so the first method is to actually go to Instagram app and just uninstall the app. And click here on Instagram. Before you install the app, you have to click on background app refresh and turn off this background app refresh. Sometimes this can work, not work for a couple of people, but don't uninstall the app right now. Make sure you have the latest update. Sometimes maybe you forgot to update Instagram, and probably that's the reason. So go to App Store, head over there, and then write apps Instagram in the search bar. And if you see instead of open, you see update, make sure you update. I just updated Instagram recently, so that's why there's no the update option there, because I have the latest version. And now the next method is to actually turn off your connection. So just and turn off your Wi-Fi or your mobile data mobile, and if that didn't work, restart your phone. Sometimes this can be a bug, a glitch, problem within the app, or just an iPhone issue, bug. So make sure you restart Instagram. Make sure you uninstall Instagram if it's still not working, and make sure you restart your iPhone. And